Hey, Senior Sharks, do you know what time it is?
It's time for the weekly update.
Hello, hola, and bonjour, PBMA families. This is Mrs. Solorzano with your weekly update for the week of September 26, 2025. We have lots of exciting news to share, so let's dive right in. Our safety patrols are still on a mission to fundraise for their big trip to Washington, D.C., and they can't do it without you. They're selling $1 chocolate bars in tasty flavors like milk chocolate, dark chocolate, caramel, crispy, almond. There's something sweet for everyone. Want even more chocolate? You can grab a whole box of 60 bars for $60. Every bar and every box sold helps our patrols get one step closer to their adventure. Our PBMA Fall fundraiser is still going strong. Families and friends can shop online now through October 1st. Every item sold helps support our school, and students earn credit towards awesome prizes. And here's the sweetest part. Students who meet the sales goal will be invited to our chocolate fountain party. Elementary students need to sell 8 items, and secondary students need to sell 5 items. Remember, safety first. Please share the fundraiser link with your family and friends, but no door-to-door sales. There will be no school on Thursday, October 2nd, 2025, in observance of a fall holiday. You're invited to join us on Tuesday, October 7th at 5 p.m. for our first Title I parent training in the elementary campus. We will start with our annual meeting and then dive into a workshop. Parents will walk away with simple and practical ideas to help support learning at home. We can't wait to see our elementary families there as we work together for our shark success. PBMA is once again teaming up with the Florida Hiking Children's Vision Program, and this is big news. Their amazing vision van will come to both campuses and offer free eye exams and, if needed, free glasses. Here's what you need to know. The first sign-up deadline is Friday, October 10th. The vision van will come to PBMA once 30 or more students are registered. And Mrs. Cooper has already emailed the link. Don't wait to sign up. Get ready to roll. PBMA is hosting Skate Night at Astro Skate Family Fun Center on Thursday, October 16th from 6 to 8 p.m. Admission is just $12. The address is 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. And here's the best part. There's no school the next day, Friday, October 17th. So bring your friends, bring your family, and let's pack the rink with shark spirit. We can't wait to see you there. Picture Day for the elementary campus is coming up on Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025. Students should arrive in their PBMA uniforms and be ready to smile for the camera. These photos are an important part of our yearbook and school records, so make sure your student is picture ready. We're proud to support New World Reading, Florida's free program that helps students grow stronger literacy skills and discover the joy of reading. If your shark qualifies, they can receive free books and reading activities delivered right to your home each month through 5th grade. Imagine building your very own library, one book at a time. Want to learn more and see if your child qualifies? Swim on over to newworldreading.com. A huge shout out to our students, families, and staff who turned out for Chipotle night. Your support made a big difference. Thanks to your participation, we raised funds to help our safety patrols, and we love seeing so many shark smiles in the community. We appreciate you.
PBMA will be hosting a Spirit Night fundraiser at Chick-fil-A on Wednesday, October 8th from 3 to 6 p.m. at 1197 West Lantana Road. Come enjoy a delicious meal while supporting our sharks.
Huge thanks to all who joined the International Coastal Cleanup at Lantana Beach. Your time and teamwork helped protect wildlife, keep our shoreline beautiful, and show true shark pride. Feliz Mes de la Herencia Hispana! Happy Hispanic Heritage Month! PBMA is proud to recognize and honor the history, culture, and many contributions of Hispanic and Latino Americans. Throughout the month, our students will take part in meaningful activities through literature, art, music, and classroom learning. It helps build understanding, respect, and pride in the diverse cultures that strengthen our community. Here are some elementary campus highlights. In Mrs. Rivera's art class, students have been celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month with vibrant and creative projects. They've been learning about Hispanic culture and traditions through art, creating colorful pieces inspired by Hispanic artists and stories. From bright patterns and bold designs to artwork that reflects history and family traditions, our sharks are showing their creativity while honoring this important month. It's been a wonderful reminder of how si se puede, yes, we can use art to celebrate culture and learn more about the world around us. And of course, our tiburones are making waves of heritage and pride along the way. Mrs. Owen's class recently went on a pirate adventure, and it was packed with learning and fun. Our youngest sharks became pirates for the week with hats, eye patches, and spy scopes. They practiced math by counting pirate loot and using 10 frames. And they even tested their engineering skills by building foil ships. The class also explored which animals live in the ocean and which belong on land. To top it off, they read exciting pirate stories that inspired them to write and illustrate their very own stories. Come with me to check out Mr. O's second grade classroom. Hello.
Hey, come on in.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Hello, class. Hello, Mr.
Nice.
O.
Hey, how you doing?
How are you today?
I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm very good. I'm happy to be here.
Hey, as we all are.
All right, can you tell us about what your students are working on?
So today we've been working on arrays. All right, so arrays are organizations of displays in rows and columns. So right now they're all working on their warm-up work.
Wow, students, who can talk about arrays? I see hands. I see hands. Oh my goodness. Hi, what can you say about arrays?
I could say that rows go side to side and columns go up and down.
Wow, that's awesome. That's true. Good job.
There we go.
Who else can talk about arrays? Okay, I see more hands right over here. What do you know about arrays, my friend?
Arrays can be used to see the amount. What is the big number that is separated by rows and columns?
Wow, very good.
Very good.
And then I saw Christina right here. Christina, tell us about arrays.
The matching arrays can make it even number.
Very good.
Wow, great job. Good job, everyone.
Very good. Very good,
Thank
scholars.
you.
Very good. So, if you all heard from our scholars, arrays can be used to help us find out answers to addition problems. Also, the better that we get with arrays, it'll end up helping us understand multiplication. So our scholars right now, as we progress through the second grade, they're going to learn not just addition, but eventually the skills and the tools to help them in multiplication. All right.
Come with me to check out Miss Hepburn's kindergarten class.
All right. Magnificent mathematicians. Are we ready?
Hello, Miss Hepburn.
Hello, hello.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm great. Excited to be here.
All right. And we are so excited to show what we know for math. So we are learning to count numbers. Everybody say, I can count.
I can count.
Using a 10 frame.
Using a 10 frame.
I'm going to show you a number, and I want you to show me, what is this number?
8.
Can you show me 8 counters on your 10 frame?
Yeah.
Do we guess?
No.
We have to count. Show me 8 counters. Yo quiero ver 8. 8. Contar.
I finished. I did 8 counters.
You did 8 counters. Very good. Make sure you're pointing and counting to show what you know. I see a lot of 8s. Kiss your brain. All right. Oh, look, I like how you made 8 in a different way. Because look, you did 8 differently.
So who can talk about 10 frames for me? Me. Let me see hands. What do we do when we want to answer a question?
Raise your hand and speak or stand.
And I love the way... I see so many hands. I love the way you're raising your hand right over here. Can you talk about 10 frames and what you've been learning?
I've been learning how to count to 10 and I build a lot and count a lot.
Wow, can you count what you have right there in front of me?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job! Give me
Let's
my
give Cairo a hand.
I see another hand over here. Can you talk to us about what you've been learning?
Yeah, I got 8 counters.
You have 8 counters? Okay, so if you have 8 counters and I take away 1, how many counters do you have now?
Oh, don't guess it.
7.
7!
Ooh,
Woo!
very good.
Who else wants to say something? Oh, so many hands. Right over here. Talk to us about what you've been learning.
I learned how to count to 10 and I have 8 counters.
You've been learning how to count to 10? Awesome. Okay, so let's see. How many do you have right here? How many counters?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's 8 counters. And what happens if I take out 2?
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then you have 6 counters. Very good. Good job,
Very
everyone.
good. Kiss your brain. I have some circles on the board. I don't know how many I have though. Can you count and show me? Hold on. Show me with your 10 frame how many circles are on the board.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ooh. So how many counters should I put in my 10 frame? Can you show me 6 counters on your 10 frame?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Can you show me 6 counters on your 10 frame?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 6.
6. Woo! Good job. Good job, everyone. I'll see you next time. Now, here's a message from your elementary school counselor.
Next month, October, is Bullying Prevention Month, a time to raise awareness and remind each other how important it is to treat everyone with kindness and respect. It's about creating a safe, supportive school community where every student feels they belong.
And here are some secondary campus highlights. Recently, our secondary campus students kicked off the PBMA Fall Fundraiser, and it was a huge success. Students were excited and fully engaged as they learned all about the prizes and how they can support our school. We also want to take a moment to introduce Mrs. Short, our new graduation coach for the secondary campus, and clearly the coolest teacher ever. She jumped right in with our students during the kickoff and made the event even more fun. Check out these pictures and videos of our secondary campus Sharks, showing their school spirit and having a great time.
Hi, PBMA families. I'm Mrs. Short. I am the graduation coach for the secondary campus. Each week, I will be bringing you around the secondary campus, showing you the events that we have going on. Today, we have our seniors. Why don't we introduce ourselves? What's your name?
I'm Oscar, the Vice President.
Okay.
I'm Madison.
I'm Rihanna.
And they're going to talk to you today about an event that they had yesterday to start their senior year. Where did you guys go yesterday?
So yesterday, the whole class of 2026 all met at the Boynton Inlet.
And what was that called? What event is that called?
The Senior Sunrise.
And what's the significance, Rihanna, of Senior Sunrise? Why do you guys all meet for Senior Sunrise?
It's a way for us to bond and enjoy, like the senior year as a class.
And then at the end of the year, you have a different event, right?
Yeah, Senior Sunset.
Senior Sunset to close out that year.
Yeah, to commemorate the senior year that we all had together.
Perfect. What did you guys do at Senior Sunrise? So you watched the sunrise. What else did you guys do together?
So we swam in the ocean. We got to watch the sunrise.
all in the ocean together. We had drinks that we had from Alberta, Capri Suns and soda, and then we played soccer, volleyball, and football.
And then did you guys go anywhere afterwards?
Yeah, so we went to breakfast at IHOP with a few of our seniors that were able to make it.
It sounds like a really good time, like you guys really bonded as a senior class. So Oscar, can you tell us about some of the senior fundraising that's going on right now to help us pay for prom, senior events, field trips, and our legacy project for the seniors for the school?
Yeah, so every Wednesday we're gonna be selling donuts around breakfast time every morning, or every Wednesday morning for $2, and every Friday it's gonna be dress down day for also $2 for a wristband, and
then we have other upcoming fundraising as the year progresses. But right now we have our donuts, we have our dress down days. Flyers are up around the entire school, and they'll also be on the website for parents to be able to see the specifications for dress code. You still have to be in dress code, but you don't have to be in uniform on Fridays if you buy a wristband. Yep.
Make sure to get your wristbands.
Yeah, make sure you get your.
And in this week's episode of The Wave Makers, Dress Down Fridays are always a favorite, and Wednesday donuts are still bringing the sweet midweek energy. We also want to highlight the 10-10 rule. This is a reminder to all students: no bathroom breaks during the first 10 minutes or the last 10 minutes of class. The first 10 minutes are for settling in, listening to directions, and starting strong. The last 10 minutes are for finishing up, reviewing, and making sure everyone is prepared before the bell rings. When Sharks follow the 10-10 rule, they stay engaged, keep lessons running smoothly, and make every minute count. Thanks for helping us build good habits, Sharks. And speaking of good habits and staying healthy, the dental checkup event gave students a chance to take care of their smiles right here on campus. And now for something creative, we're shining a spotlight on Mr. Jax, our secondary campus art teacher. His students are currently experimenting with new techniques and exploring different mediums, pushing themselves to be more expressive and creative. Mr. Jax shared that he is especially excited about how students are bringing their own ideas into their projects. Looking ahead, he has big plans for the year, including showcasing student artwork and connecting projects to real-world themes. It's clear our Sharks are doing more than learning art skills. They're learning to see the world in new and imaginative ways. And before we close, a quick spotlight on the ELA department. They've been sharing best practices to help Sharks grow stronger in reading and learning every day. Thank you, PBMA families, for helping our Sharks be respectful, responsible, and ready every single day.
Coach Storkel here with the PBMA Athletics Update. Boys flag football won their game on Friday 45-22 against the Somerset Academy Wolves. Shout out to Sean Dimitrov and Javari Brown for scoring their first career touchdowns. The Sharks moved to 5-1 with 4 games left in the season. Boys flag football won their game on Monday 37-25 against Somerset Academy, Boynton Beach. Derek Jackson had a legendary performance, scoring a school record 7 touchdowns in the game. The Sharks are now 6-1 and will host third place Okie Healy on Wednesday. Let's go Sharks. Boys flag football won their game on Wednesday 33-22 against Okie Healy. The Sharks were led by touchdowns from DeAndre Sherrod, Derek Jackson, and Alonzo Aniri. Go Sharks.
Thank you, PBMA families, for helping our Sharks be respectful, responsible, and ready every single day. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. Goodbye, adios, and au revoir.